Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set Hindi language in our Vivo phone device. Guys, you want to set your Hindi language in your Vivo phone, so as you can set it. And guys, now let's see how to set Hindi language in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So when first of all open your phone setting to set your Hindi language, then guys scroll and guys click on your phone system setting, guys click on languages, and guys you don't have Hindi language, so I add first of all Hindi language, so we will add Hindi language like that guys. And guys, how can you set guys? You can see it will not work, so you can see guys this two line, this right side guys, so I press here and do like that, and as you can see we will have to wait for some setting for seconds. And guys, now you can see this Hindi language in your Vivo phone. So friends, you can see this everything is Hindi in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set Hindi language in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.